Today I will show you how to securely share passwords using the LastPass sharing center without ever exposing them. The LastPass sharing center is a feature that lets you share login credentials, control who can use them, and keep passwords hidden. So instead of sending passwords directly, you grant access carefully. So let's be real. Sharing passwords like this is dangerous. Like plain text messages, emails, notes, with sharing center, password stays encrypted. You can revoke access anytime. No one sees the actual password. So here you can see I just logged into my LastPass vault, and here on the left side you can just scroll down, and at the uh, third number you can see the sharing center option. Click on it. So here you'll find these three options: manage shared folders, share it with others, and share it with me. So all these things you can manage here through this. So let's manage shared folders. Let's see this option. Click on manage shared folders. So here you can create and manage folders containing shared sites and nodes. Simply click on plus icon. Then this is not free. To use this option, you will have to upgrade to your family's plans. Like here you can see 6 premium level licenses, family manager dashboard. All these things you will need. So let's talk about only three options here. So shared with others. Click here on shared with others. So if you have to share your password with others, so how can you manage this? Click on plus icon, and here you have to add recipient email address. Suppose you have to share it with your friend your password. Then here you will have to add your recipient's email address, and you can also use this option if you want to allow the recipient to view your password. But don't allow this option if you don't want to public your password or don't want to show your password to your friend. Then what you have to share with your friend, even if you log in, what you want to share with him, you can choose all the things. If you have created any folders in LastPass, then you can just allow that folder, so that folders only be open when he will log into your LastPass vault account. Then click here on share. This way your password will be shared to your friend, but the password will be not visible to him. Only he can log in with that email. Then the second option here, third option here, shared with me. Click on shared with me. You can review passwords and notes authors have shared with you. So what you have to manage, you have to type recipient's email address. So whoever sends anything like passwords with you, you have to add their email address, and you can allow recipients to view password. Yeah, he can allow this option if you want to allow your recipient to view a password. Then here items to share, same as I told you about before this way you can use click on share and use this option as well. So this is how this sharing center works. So to use it perfectly, smartly, never share your master password. Use can use instead of can view. Regular use shared access combined with MFA for extra security. So most people do some common mistake. So you have to avoid this. Giving full access, unnecessarily forgetting to revoke old users, sharing sensitive accounts casually. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.